Right, so I'm going to demonstrate how my advanced Python command line calculator is going to work. This is the sheet on GitHub on the README. This is the installation guide right here. I'm going to go through everything. So first I am going to copy this. Alright, so it already exists in my file. That's why it's coming up like that. I have Python. In here it says Python M VNB. This is to install the virtual environment. I have Python 3, so I'm going to run Python 3 -m VNB. Okay, that's working now, so I'm going to bring up my virtual studio now. I am going to deactivate this virtual environment because I'm not sure if it's going to be the same thing. And reactivate it. Alright, so our virtual environment is now activated. I'm going to run Pytest, Pilot, check the coverage. Okay, so you can see that we have all of our paths for our Pytest Pilot, and our coverage is 90%. Next, we'll check num records. Okay, so that's good. Next, let's check out how the calculator works. So to run the calculator, you're going to run Python 3 or Python main.py. And this is the introduction the welcome message that you get when you first open it. It explains how to use it, to open the menu, run an operations, check the history, clear the history, and help to display this message again. So we could add, we can subtract, as you can see, if you misspell, it'll come up with an error message. It's not going to let you divide by 0. I could also do statistics on here. I'm just making up numbers as I go. So this is the menu. In the top here, you'll see the available operations. I want to see what the standard deviation was because sometimes I forget. Okay, so if you want to view the history, you can hit 1, and it'll show you the history. 2, it'll clear history. I don't want to clear the history just yet. 3, it'll ask you if you what history you want to delete out of there. So if you want to delete just one piece of history, say I want to subtract or remove the first one, which is to add, I just hit 1, which is the ID, and you can see up here, this is where all the history is saved in this history CSV file. It removed the first one. That just reloads the history if the history is not available in the actual calculator. It'll bring up this history again. 5 exits. I don't want to exit yet. Let's clear history now. Yes. Okay. So as you can see, all the history is gone. We have a good log in here that shows all the warning info, debugging of the calculator. Works properly. Looks good. Alright, so that's how it works. We can exit out of this. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this.